Yo guys, welcome back on Unreal Dystopia, and this is it guys. Today we are starting our series on Unreal Engine 5. So guys, this series it will be about how to make an RPG game on Unreal Engine 5. So let's get started. So guys, what you need to do is to open Unreal Engine 5, okay? Like this. When you open it, you will find these options here. So you go to game and you select third person character. You select blueprint, target platform, desktop, quality preset maximum, and you check the starter content and you create your game, guys. After that, when you open your project, you normally get this map. Okay, if you select the third person character, you will have this map like this. So what you have on the third person character template, guys, is this character. This is the new Unreal Engine 5 mannequin. Okay, so we are going to customize this character in order to use it on our RPG game. So today, guys, we are going to learn how to set our locomotion. Okay, so per default, you will have this animation blueprint. Remember, this is the class that handle all the animations. Okay, guys, what you need to add to this class, guys, is this part, the direction, because it is not included. So what you need to do is get owning actor like this, get actor velocity, sorry, no, get actor rotation like this, okay, and then you calculate direction because we need to calculate our character direction. Okay, guys, so this is it. And for the velocity, we'll find it here. Okay, it will be already set, so you just drag from here to here and you promote to variable and you will have the same setting as mine. So I will delete this. Now I have my direction variable. Okay, guys. After that, if you go to your animation graph here, where is it? It should be here. Okay. You should have, in your case, you should have this. Okay, guys. It will be like this. Only this. So we don't need this control rig node for now. You just put it away and you link this here to here. So now your character should move forward, backward. Okay, guys, to be sure, go to your character blueprint. Okay, this is the character that you are controlling per default on the third person character template. You go to character movement and here you type rotation. Okay, make sure to check orient rotation to movement and use controller desired rotation and hit compile. Great. After that, guys, you need to know that per default you would have this locomotion. I will show you. You will have this locomotion brand space. Okay, your character should move like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, uh, we are going to set this locomotion animations. Okay, guys, in my case I added this boss enemy animation pack. It was free at certain moment. I don't know if it is still free, but you can search for it or your own animations, and then we need to add a blend space. Okay, guys, so in my case I created animation. Okay, I created an animation folder, and this is where I added my blend space class. So to do this, you just right click, go to animation, legacy, and hit blend space 1D. Okay, you would have this graph. Okay, in your case it will look like this one without these animations. Okay, so here what you need to do, you will add your animation here, okay, in this graph. This curve represents, since it is one direction, so this the one sorry one dimension, not direction, one dimension. So the only dimension that we have here is speed. Per default, it will be from 0 to 100, but in our case, we will set it to 315. Okay, we click save, and now here we need to add animations. The animations that we added from this post enemy animation pack. So you will find them here, content browser, boss enemy, and here you will have all the animations. Okay, so go to in place, movement, and now you have your run animation, walk animation, backward, forward, forward, and right and left. So now what you need to do is select all these animations, right click, retarget animation asset, duplicate and retarget, and here guys you go to none, and you should find this RTG UE4 money, UE5 money. Okay guys, you click here and you click retarget. I will explain later in this series what is it about, because the old system of retargeting of Unreal Engine 4 is no longer available. They change it with this new system, which is a little bit more complicated but more efficient. Okay, guys. So you click retarget, and you should have your animations. In my case, I already done this, and there we are. They are okay. This is my animations retargeted to my Unreal Engine 5 mannequin. Okay, so I just go to my blend space. In my case, I named it RPG Locomotion BS. Okay, and here I need to add my animations. So I added the idle here. Okay, you can see it here, boss idle. Okay, in zero speed, and then in the 100, I added walk forward. Okay, there is it in place, and we are going to add the run in the 300. Sorry, what is it? Run. No, no. So we didn't add it yet. Yes, I will do it with you. Here, animation, in place, movement, and there is it. Okay, retarget, duplicate, as we said, and hit retarget. And now we have our run animation. I will put it in the appropriate folder in order to stay organized. Okay guys, animation. So now I have my run animation right here. Okay, and I will add it on the 315. Okay, so now my character on the 100 it will be walking, and on the 315 it will be running. I click save. Now I need to put the logic on the character blueprint. There it is. Okay, this is my character blueprint. So per default, this is what you are going to have. Okay, it is the basic inputs for moving and jumping. Okay guys, here we need to set an input to run. So let's say it would be left input. Sorry, it will be the left shift, like this. Okay, now I drag my character movement, and here set the max work speed to 315. It must match this value guys. Okay, this is important. So when I press left shift it would be like this, and when I released it go back to 100, which is the walking uh, speed. It okay, that's it. Now our character would run and walk depending on the speed. After that, let's go to our anim blueprint. There it is in the animation blueprint. So in per default, you would have this blend space. We will not remove it, not delete it, just remove it. Okay, like this. And now you search for your blend space. Okay, you should find it here like this. Okay, so you drag your variables the not the direction, sorry, the speed variable. No, not this. Ground speed. Okay, per default we would have this variable ground speed. Okay, and link it here. Okay, great. So now we are using our rent space. Go back to locomotion. For you, you should find this idle connected. You just locomotion is here, guys. Okay, click here. You should find the idle. You just remove it and only use this state in this anim state. You go inside and this is where you find your output and impose where you put your blend space, RPG locomotion blend space. So for now, this is the only locomotion animation that we are using. Don't need the per default idle or the others. Okay, so also you would have find this main states. This is where the jump animation and the falling is handled. Okay, guys, you just let it as it is for now. Okay, guys, let's click compile, and now I think it would work. So now when I walk, this is my animation working like this. Great. And if I click shift, it is not working. Oh yes, it is working actually. There it is. So no, let's replay. So now, okay, I think the per default value of working is too high. Max work is, yes, it is 350. So we will set it to 100. Click compile. Now when I click play, my character still should walk, not run. And when I click left shift, it would run. Okay, guys. So I know the character seems slow like this for a game, but you can increase the speed here, okay, for the walking and the running, and also on the per default value. Don't forget the per default value. So now our character is walking, running, turning around. This is set per default, okay. But in our case, we want to put an additional looking at system. To do this, go to your anim blueprint here. After that, event tick, okay. Sorry, event graph. You should find it. You should find it here. Yes, event graph, and you will add this configuration. So just add a pin here. You drag, okay. Then you cast to BP third person character. This is the default value of the third person character template, okay? The default character blueprint, sorry. And now you link the get owning actor in the object, okay, guys? And then what you do, you search for, you create a rotation variable, okay? So in order to do this, you just go here, add variable. You will name it rotation, okay? For example, in my case, I named it view. Okay, let's name it view in order to keep my already set configuration. And here in the type of the variable, you select rotator. Okay, and now you should have the same variable as me. So I will delete this. Great. And also you will drag get control rotator like this. You split the structure and also you get mesh. You will get the mesh of your character, which is the skeleton, like this. And from the mesh, you drag and search for get forward vector. Okay, guys, get forward vector. And then we are going to do a subtraction operation. We are going to subtract the z value of the get forward vector from the get control rotation. So we drag from the z of the control and just type minus operation subtract. You link z of get forward vector here and here. you need to use clump angle node. Very important, guys. And here we set it minus 50 to 50. And you set your variable like this, split structure. You keep x and y 0, 0. And for the z, you link the result of the clamp angle here. And you link the casting to the set. And you will have the same configuration as me. So I will delete this. Already done for me. Great. And after that, you go to your anim graph. Very important. Sorry, just onion graph here. Okay. In your case, after removing this, we said that we would have this. Okay. But now we need to add this nodes. Okay. In order to have this, right click, type transform bone, transform modify bone. Okay, guys. And here you will make 3 of them. One for the spine 2, spine 3, and spine 4. And you select the bone here. Spine 2, copy paste, spine 3, copy paste, spine 4. Like this. Okay, guys. Also, you need to set the rotation mode to replace existing. So here we will replace, no, sorry, not replace it. Actually, this one I should delete it because it was an error. You should add to existing. Very important. Add to existing, add to existing, and add to existing. Make sure you are on the rotation node. For the translation and for the scale, you can deactivate them like this. Just remove the exposed pin like this. Okay. Okay. And now you should have the same thing as me. Just split the structure here like this. So you keep the x and y 0, 0, 0 for each bone like this, and you drag your view character or rotation character that you set just before, split it, and you drag from the z, and after that you divide like this, divide by 2. Okay, guys, divide by 2 and link it to z of each bone transform. Now, if you drag from the default slot here, default group, to the first transform bond, you should have this missing node local to component like me. Okay, guys, it spawn here just by its own. Don't worry about that. And you link each transform bond to the other like this. And after that, from the last one to the output pose. And that's it. So let's clean this mess. I will delete this, and just use my first setting and hit compile. So what have we done here, guys? Remember that if I go back to the original movement, remember our character moved like this. It is not looking right and left, but now if we do use our configuration, hit compile. Now if I click play, you can see that my character look right and left. And why it is not looking 360 degrees? Because I have clumped the value in the event graph here. Okay, guys, remember the minus 15 and 50. So in your case, if you want a higher value, you can just modify this. And now we have a character looking left and right and moving pretty well. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So it was the first of an RPG making series. Okay, we are going to make an RPG game on Unreal Engine 5. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification, and stay tuned for the further videos. Goodbye, guys. Guys, I just wanted to take the time to introduce you our Redbubble store. So if you want to support the channel, this is the way, guys. This is a full collection of clothes and items and stickers, phone cases branded by our logo Unreal Dystopia. So check it out.